Hello and welcome to Liang Eimil Talks. I'm Rona, the Regional Account Manager of London and the South, and I'm here with the lovely Rimma Monk, who is Founder and Creative Director of Rimma Monk Interior Design. Thank you so much, Rimma, for coming to our lovely Shoreditch showroom.
Thanks so much for having me.
Of course. And so I'm so thrilled that I can be sat here talking with you, because I know we've worked together kind of since I joined the company on a few of your projects.
Yes, we did.
Yeah, so I just think it's lovely how this whole conversation is really going to pivot around how we can look beyond beautiful. So looking beyond just designing for the sake of beauty, but also to really factor in how we live and how, as an expert in the field, you can guide your clients to a livable, happy, beautiful space at home. What really kind of stood out to me about your practice was just the kind of depth to beauty and the depth to the creativity of designing for your clients.
Thank you.
So I think that's a wonderful guide for our discussion today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. It's really nice to be here.
Lovely. So looking at the very beginning of a project, when you've got your new client, what is the very first thing that you're looking to hear from your clients to guide where the project will go?
The very first thing I'm listening for is the emotion. The clients always start with the images they have saved, the color schemes they wanted to go to, or the piece of furniture they've seen somewhere. But all of this is important. But what I'm listening for is the way how they want to feel in a space we are trying to create.
Yeah, so I guess if a client is coming to you to say, look, Rimma, I want to come home from work and I want to come home to a calm space, I guess that is that initial guide for you.
That's the initial guide. We want to hear how they want to live their life. We want to hear what emotions they want to experience. And that would be the foundation of our design. Because if they say, come, are we looking for a luxury retreat for them after the demanding day at work? Or if they want to, sometimes they say, we want to feel proud and we want to show the success they achieved in life without making it too showy, in a more natural way.
So Rimma, I guess a lot of your clients must come to you with a Pinterest board, with inspirational magazine and glossy photos. How do you help clients in moving beyond just surface level Pinterest boards and into something more authentic to them?
Pinterest is a good starting point, but not a solution. And our job is to help our clients to move beyond that. We use it to understand the patterns and tastes of our clients. Then the job of my agency is to translate it into the design that is suitable for their architecture, their lifestyle, their needs.
So Rimma, in your view, what would distinguish timeless design from trend-led design?
Timeless design is rooted in fundamentals. It's a balance, it's material integrity, it's proportion, and architectural coherence. It doesn't rely on what is fashionable at the moment. It relies on what feels inherently right within the space. Trend-led design, on the contrary, it could be very exciting, it could be very current, it could be very striking, which is all good. But the risk with having trend-led design is that it can date very, very quickly.
So when you're specifying furniture, what makes a supplier one of your trusted partners?
What makes supplier one of our trusted partners is consistency in quality, service and reliability. A brand such as Liang Eimil, for example, offers well-crafted pieces with strong proportions and dependable lead times. which is essential when managing a lot of projects at the same time. I need to trust what we specify will arrive as expected, looks good as promised, and also stand the test of time.
So why should potential clients who are renovating their homes or studios choose Rimma Monk Interior Design?
Believe it or not, design is a very complex process. And I think people should trust the professional who do this every day, who know what they're doing and do it for with loads of years of expertise. Many people think that interior design is about placing this or that piece of furniture against that environment or against this wall. But every project comes with its challenges. Not enough natural light, not enough storage. Such a small place needs to hold so many functions. On the contrary, vast space which needs to be zoned up and function well together. And that's where the professionals play a crucial role, because people do not realize how to put all these little factors together to create a cohesive design. I can guarantee that our talented designers and architects will test every centimeters of our client's space and come up with a few very meaningful and well thought solutions to improve the space people are currently in.